My name is Olivia Watkins, and I'm a 2012 Badger graduate. Yay! I received my PhD in inorganic chemistry under the supervision of our own local celebrity, Thomas Bruno. Um, in the absence of the usual celebratory events, I just want to congratulate you all. Um, you did it. And you should be extremely proud of your accomplishments. The staff and professors in our department are some of the most respected individuals in our field. And while they have a passion and dedication for helping you prepare for the next stage of your educational path or career, professional career, I know firsthand that they want you to succeed by your own merit, and they really want to push you to be successful by your own merit. And one of my most memorable experiences in grad school was the required cumulative exam. And with this particular part of my experience, the professors really wanted you to succeed by your own merit. If you guys don't know, there are several requirements that you have to fulfill before you can become a dissertator to be able to get your PhD. And the cumulative exam is one of the very first requirements that you have to pass before you can move on to the next stage of becoming a dissertator. And with these exams, they are spread over the course of 2 years. You have to be able to obtain a certain number of points for a monthly exam given by a different professor. And the topics can range from anything, and it's just chosen by the professor of that month. You can, they want you to learn anything and everything about any topic that they throw at you. At the beginning, I struggled with this. But towards the end of my first year, I started to understand what they were doing and what these exams meant. They were trying to teach me how to learn, teach me how to become an expert in something that I'm unfamiliar with. And it wasn't until I got and I sought a little bit of help from professors, and I studied with other folks like my husband, who's also a graduate of the chemistry department got his PhD under Landis, that I started to really succeed. I took it to heart, and it has paid off in my current position. I am an associate scientist for Olin, and I'm essentially responsible for developing epoxy-based solutions for infrastructure. So for rehabilitation of infrastructures, primarily potable and sewer pipes, which is called cured in place pipe or CIPP. But if I hadn't learned how to learn from the cumulative exam, and if I didn't have the professors pushing me to tackle problems from different points of view or different angles, or push me to ask the hard questions so that I could teach myself something that I'm unfamiliar with, I don't think I would have been successful in my current position. I do not use any of the I'm an epoxy chemist now. So my field is completely different from what I studied at the chemistry department in Madison. And it's come in handy because now I am I am an expert in my field. And I provide solutions not just in North America, but globally, primarily Europe, for CIPP and other infrastructural renewal type projects. But I can't tell you how grateful I am for, the professors really pushing me to be successful on my own merit. And, even though they didn't hold my hand per se, they still provided as much help as I needed when I asked. So with that, you should feel very proud of your accomplishments, because They do a really great job of pushing you to rise above and beyond. So congratulations again, and